warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Best wishes to all of you. Nearing the end of the year, the development of COVID-19 in Indonesia is increasing. Many efforts have been made by the government to eliminate COVID-19 in Indonesia, one of which is large-scale social restriction since April 2020. Regarding this case, what are the response of the community? Here, we are report from Batu Raja City Park, and now we are connect with Ira Astri.
Good morning everyone. Today I'm at Batu Raja City Park and I will interview the local community about their responses to the spread of COVID-19. Excuse me, miss. May I know your name?
Yes, of course. My name is Nita Caroline.
My name is Yesi Nopitasari.
Okay, Miss Nita and Yesi, may I ask you some question?
Yes, of course.
Okay, as we know that since a few months ago, Indonesia was hit by a disease outbreak, namely the coronavirus or COVID-19, where the spread is very fast and increasing. So, what do you think about this?
In my opinion, it is natural that the development of COVID is increasing because there are still many people who do not comply with government regulation.
Yes, I think it's so because during pandemic like this, awareness from the community, especially from ourselves, is needed. And then, Miss Nancy, what do you think about the effort that have been made in overcoming the spread of COVID-19?
For effort, it is actually good, but it is not maximized, so there is still a way for the spread of the coronavirus.
Yeah, and Miss Nita, in your opinion, what the efforts have not been maximized in dealing with this COVID-19 pandemic, Miss?
So far, it has been good, that's all. The effort of the government have been very helpful in breaking the chains of the spread of the coronavirus, but indeed their effort have not been maximized, as in every corner of the city there is no hand washing place, lack of discipline in carrying out social distancing, and state officials also don't emphasize regulation.
Okay, and the last question, Miss, what are your expectations about COVID-19 in Indonesia for the future?
I hope that this pandemic will end quickly and we can carry out our usual activities.
And how about you, Miss Nita?
Yeah, I hope in 2021 we can do our normal activities again, like we go to school or work and something like normal again.
Okay, thanks for your time, Miss Nita Caroline and Yesi Nopitasari.
Yes, you're welcome.
Okay, that is all my interview with people in Batu Raja City Park. I'm Ira Astri reporting and I turn back to the studio.
Okay, thank you Ira Astri for reporting from Batu Raja City Park. And now we are connect with Alia Manaf at Batu Raja University.
Okay guys, thank you for all of you in the studio. I am Alia Manaf, will report you the response of college student about the news that we will still apply new normal in 2021. So right now I'm in the University of Batu Raja and also with two of their college students. Okay, before I ask you some questions guys, I really want to know what's your name. Okay, what's your name?
My name is Ichana Pitasari.
Okay, and you?
My name is Yuni Maharani.
Okay guys, before that, do you know the news that we will still apply new normal in 2021?
Yes, miss, we knew it.
And in your opinion, what a new normal is?
I think new normal is when we back to condition or activity normal as before pandemic COVID-19. Even though we must stay follow the health protocol.
In my opinion, the new normal is a change in the culture of life that has been proclaimed by the government of the Republic of Indonesia so that people can get used to the new normal life order to deal with the spread of the coronavirus.
Okay, it's a really good opinion about new normal, and this is a part that I'm really curious about this. Before that, I want to ask you, what are you preparing for facing this new normal? Like we know, 2021 is just a few days to go. So what are you preparing to facing this new normal?
My own preparation for this normal activity, which is sure to prepare myself both physically and mentally in order to stay healthy. And the most important thing is to implement applicable health protocol. For example, wearing masks, carrying hand sanitizer. We will keep social distancing.
And how about you?
If I prepare for the implementation of the new normal letter, that is, I still adhere to health protocols such as bringing hand sanitizer, wearing masks, wearing personal stationery, bringing personal cutlery, bringing your own drinking bottles, and bringing your own worship equipment. Yes.
Wow, that's a good preparing for that, and then thank you guys for all of you, and thank you for your time. Thank you for wants me to interviewing both of you, and like we know, we should keep healthy, and also use masks, and don't forget to bring our hand sanitizer, and also keep our distancing from each others. And then okay, I think enough from me, so I return it back to the studio.
Okay, thank you Aliamanda for your report. So, there is the response from public regarding the development, prevention, and readiness of the community for COVID-19 in Indonesia. So, many report we submit today. Me, Dita Kotrunada Asia, say goodbye to resign. Good morning and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.